Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Wave Flex with any Android smartphone or Android tablet. So first of all, you need to remember to input the left and the right earbud inside the charging case, close it and charge at least for like 30 minutes. And then you have to open this case and remove both earbuds. Right now, when you take a look for the indicators, after a few moments they are going to start blinking. As you can see, they are blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. And if you don't have this quick connection right here, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first of all, you have to open the settings on your Android device. Right now we have to go for the Bluetooth settings, turn it on. And from available devices list, you have to select a JBL Wave Flex, accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And right now, I can recommend you to go to the Play Store. You have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and download the JBL Headphones application, where you can get a lot of features, like for example, you can customize touch gestures, use sound equalizer, or for example pair from the hard reset. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. I mean, we successfully have this application on the phone, so we have to open it and accept all permissions that we have on the screen. When we previously connect our earbuds by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them in this application. So we can just click on them once. If it's not working for some reason, you can just simply restart that application. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, as you can see, it's some kind of the visual bug, but we have to grant another permission for this app, and right now we are successfully connected. And as you can see here, we can find a couple of the features. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.